Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Hey everyone, welcome to our video on 10 flexible ways to make money online in 2023 without investment. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to make money online without needing to invest a lot of money up front. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-time business, these 10 flexible ways to make money online will give you some ideas on how to get started. 1. Online tutoring. Share your expertise and knowledge with students around the world through online tutoring platforms. With the rise of e-learning, there is a growing demand for tutors who can provide one-on-one instruction in a variety of subjects. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, and TutorMe allow you to set your own schedule and work from home. 2. Virtual assistant. Assist businesses and entrepreneurs with administrative tasks such as email management, data entry, and social media management. Virtual assistants are in high demand and can earn anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to find clients and start working right away. 3. Online surveys. Participate in market research by taking online surveys and earn money in the process. Platforms like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars allow you to take surveys and earn cash or gift cards. It's a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. 4. Selling on online marketplaces. Sell products you no longer need or create your own products to sell on online marketplaces such as Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. You can start small and scale up as you gain more experience and customers. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. By sharing your favorite products and services with your audience, you can earn a percentage of each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates and Commission Junction allow you to find products to promote and start earning money right away. 6. Content creation. Create and monetize videos, blog posts, and other types of content on platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Build an audience by creating valuable content and monetize it through sponsorships, advertising, and affiliate marketing. 7. Freelancing. Offer your services as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, and web development. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to find clients and start working right away. 8. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms such as Udemy and Coursera. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create a course and share your knowledge with others. This can be a great way to make passive income over time. 9. Podcasting. Start a podcast and monetize it through sponsorships, advertising, and affiliate marketing. Podcasts are becoming increasingly popular and can be a great way to build an audience and generate income. 10. Drop shipping. Start an e-commerce business and sell products without having to hold inventory by using a dropshipping model. Platforms like Shopify and AliExpress allow you to find products to sell and start an online store with minimal investment. These are just a few examples of ways to make money online in 2023 without investment. It's important to remember that starting a business or making money online takes time, effort, and patience. It's also important to do your own research and consider your own skills and interests before starting any new venture. We hope you found this video helpful and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.